Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Universe YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about specification, good and bad side of Samsung Galaxy A55, 5G mobile. So let's start the video. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G embodies the fusion of affordability and advanced technology, designed to deliver a compelling mobile experience for users seeking the benefits of 5G connectivity without breaking the bank. So dive into a world of vibrant colors and sharp details with the Galaxy A55 5G's expansive display. Featuring a sizable screen size of around 6.5 inches and leveraging Samsung's renowned AMOLED technology, every image and video comes to life with stunning clarity and contrast. When talk about design crafted with precision and style, the Galaxy A55 5G boasts a sleek and modern design that catches the eye. Its slim profile and curved edges provide a comfortable grip, making it a pleasure to hold and use. So battery life. Stay connected and productive throughout the day with the Galaxy A55 5G's long-lasting battery. With its sizable capacity and efficient power management, you can enjoy hours of usage on a single charge, whether you're browsing, streaming, or staying in touch with friends and family. So when I talk about performance, equipped with a robust processor, the Galaxy A55 5G ensures smooth and responsive performance across a multitude of tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or playing graphics-intensive games, this device keeps up effortlessly thanks to its optimized hardware and software integration. So cool part is camera performance. Unleash your creativity with the Galaxy A55 5G's versatile camera system. Featuring a quad camera setup on the rear, including a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, a depth sensor, and a macro lens, you have the tools to capture stunning photos in any scenario. The front-facing camera delivers equally impressive selfies, ensuring you always look your best. Even embrace the future of connectivity with 5G support on the Galaxy A55 5G. Experience blazing fast download and upload speeds, seamless streaming, and lag-free gaming, all powered by the next generation of mobile network technology. So, when talk about enhanced security and convenience, unlock your device with ease and confidence using the Galaxy A55 5G's integrated fingerprint scanner or facial recognition technology. Your personal data stays secure while providing convenient access to your device. So Samsung Experience. Built on the foundation of Samsung's acclaimed One UI software, the Galaxy A55 5G offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface. With a host of features and customization options, you can tailor your device to suit your preferences and enhance your overall user experience. When I talk about advantages, it's affordable 5G connectivity. The Galaxy A55 5G offers access to the latest 5G network technology at a more affordable price point compared to flagship 5G smartphones. This allows users to experience faster download and upload speeds, reduced latency, and enhanced connectivity without breaking the bank. Balanced performance. Equipped with a capable processor and sufficient RAM, the Galaxy A55 5G delivers smooth and responsive performance for everyday tasks, including web browsing, multimedia consumption, and multitasking. Users can enjoy a lag-free experience across various applications and usage scenarios. Versatile camera system. The device features a versatile quad camera setup, allowing users to capture high-quality photos and videos in a wide range of situations. Whether it's scenic landscapes, group selfies, or detailed close-ups, the Galaxy A55 5G provides the tools to unleash creativity and preserve memorable moments. Long-lasting battery life. With its sizable battery capacity and optimized power management, the Galaxy A55 5G offers all-day battery life, ensuring users stay connected and productive throughout their day without constantly worrying about running out of power. Samsung ecosystem integration. As part of the Samsung ecosystem, the Galaxy A55 5G seamlessly integrates with other Samsung devices and services, offering enhanced connectivity and interoperability. Users can enjoy features such as Samsung Pay, Samsung Health, and SmartThings integration, enhancing their overall digital experience. So, Disadvantage: mid-range performance. While the Galaxy A55 5G provides smooth performance for everyday tasks, including web browsing and multimedia consumption, it may struggle with demanding applications and intensive gaming compared to flagship devices. Users who require high-performance capabilities for gaming or resource-intensive tasks might find the device lacking in this aspect. Limited software support. While Samsung typically provides software updates for its Galaxy A series devices, including security patches and occasional feature updates, the frequency and duration of updates may be limited compared to flagship models. Users may not receive as many software updates or support for as long as they would with higher-end devices. Thank you for watching this video. So if you think this video will help for your friend, kindly share this video and press the bell icon and like button. Then you can watch our new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.